Alright, you see it, guys. Kind of started. And didn't really get it on camera, but haven't got too far along yet. Those were just 4 little torque screws. They're T30s. So just zapped them off real quick, took the grill off, and now fixing to take off these 4 bolts that hold the, well actually they're nuts, pause, hold the condenser on. And we're not going to be breaking his lines loose because we don't want to lose the Freon, even though we're not going to be needing it no time soon, but trying to save some money, guys. So yeah, just going to get that done and get y'all a little time lapse. Just going, like I said, unbolt that condenser, flip it back and lay it on top of the valve cover up there carefully. And also without kinking the lines or bending them or anything like that. So let's get it.
What else will get fixed?
We got these off here on this side, guys. Did that off camera as well. That's a 3/4 on both sides. So just had it down here with a wrench. Billy zapped it off with the impact up top. And now he's working on that overflow, or that. What size is that, bro?
14.
Size 14. Just gonna zap that off, so get that off of there. Give y'all an update in a second. Alright guys, he's just breaking these. There's 3 of them, or 4 of them, holding the actual fan shroud to the block, and the 3rd one down is kind of funky. He had to use a wrench to get down in there and get 5/8 wrench. So they left that one exposed where you could get it. That one there had to compromise. All right, guys. So Billy's now working on this last. I guess it's some type of support bushing mount, something for the radiator. But there's nothing else holding this bad boy in, boys. Oh, and Billy put this, I guess, type of bar, holds it in place. He put that back in there because we took it loose earlier. So it's really only this one and the one on the other side holding this puppy in. So probably get y'all a time lapse of us lifting it up out of there. Guys, y'all can see we got it out, found the leak. So Billy's just going through pulling the last clips off. Probably gonna get new ones with the new radiator, but just in case we don't, we'll salvage those. Here's with no radiator. There's the intercooler, shroud. Alright guys, so radiator's missing. Got it all the way out. Billy's just strapping down his condenser so it don't slip in the middle of the night or whatever, and put a hole in that, knowing our luck. So just gonna load this bad boy up right here in the back of here and run it up the road to XL Truck Group, because that thing's got warranty. So yeah, guys. Thank God it happened now, because you only had what, 1 month or one
month.
Yep, 1 month of warranty left, and this happens, guys. So praise God for that. It's a blessing in disguise, I guess you could call it. But yeah.
Hey, that radiator, that was damaged.
Yeah, guys, so came here last night, pick up this radiator, and it was already cracked. Same location where Billy's was damaged, so they had to put that one back. Ordering one from Roanoke, Virginia, which is about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes away from here, and they brought that one up this morning, so we're just here going to pick it up.
And it's a direct swap because of the brand.
It's a new one, guys. Get that checked out. Make sure it ain't broke like the one from last night.
Hey, you know what?
All right, guys, this is where we're having the issue. These welds are not holding up.
That one looks
So
all right.
that was the start of his problems from the beginning. Was it on the other side? Yeah, it'd be on the other side.
What about this pee hole?
All right, guys, so there you see it.
Is this fiberglass?
New one laid out.
Plastic?
And about to start putting the sides on it. And yeah, so get y'all timeline to that. All right, guys, so his radiator brought all new hardware. So Billy just went through and put all the new clips in. There they go. He did her up there. He goes down here. Yeah, just gonna get it all prepped up and ready to put the outer housing on it. Put it back in. We got a special guest today, y'all.
Is that 15?
16.
How'd you get 16? Huh?
It's a socket.
This I had to use a wrench. Can't get
That's why I said I
Nice and
trust you.
socket
Yeah,
down in
he's
there.
got the wrench over there.
But we can do this one. Nope.
We need a socket for that one.
You got a question
See it, boys. Sitting there.
Should have like flat screen up in there.
Well, you know, I didn't get to use your 16 and all.
Oh,
you
nigga,
grabbed it up.
Go ahead.
No, I know you had to check the messages.
Oh, man.
All right, guys. So just getting everything buttoned up. Billy is at least. Get everything mounted in. While we had the hands and the manpower here to get it done, we kind of rushed and hurried up and had my nephew Neil here. So used his strength, my strength, Billy's strength, and my wife's strength, and we all was able to get this unit back in here. So now it's time to start ciphering this stuff over into the truck. It's the best way to go and do it if you don't have a pump. So just gonna get these dumped into here and We're about to get the first start up, boys. Antifreeze topped off. It's been in there for a couple hours.